also those who support the Kadibay, sponsors Gloria Guerrero, Cencia Viernes, Melanie Villapuente Romero, Our Lady of the Rosary Church, Kennedy Town, Mr. and Mrs. Melissa Baldin, Sinaida Goteri, Velma Mascariola, Jesby Adeline, Amor Beltran, Tena Bintero.
Celia Hinojo, Arlene Sadeporon Corti, Cristina Lucido, Vilma Calderon Denizo, Jopay Santos, Jovi Austria, Sheila Cahudo, Duazon Family, Cinderella Bernardes, Lita De Caro, FPG St. Joseph. Maraming salamat po.
At Marepek Kabangal, Apostleship of Prayer Group, LOM St. Joseph, Maling Alvarez Nicole, Olive Macali, Irene De Vera, Margie Aguirre.
We would like to thank your generosity. Baby Vico Nalus, Rica Linam, Alvin Alvaro Abraham, Mayan Mara Sigan Lord